Hi, this is an explanation of your cultural assessment or cultural reflection. So, in class, we brought out of you all different types of culture, and we explained how it was not just the color, race, ethnicity, is a lot more to that. So, by coming to class, you understood that. So, the assessment asks for three examples that you have now identified is of a different culture from yourself. Okay. Once you've got that little example, then you're going to really identify what was that cultural difference. Once you identified that cultural difference, how did you adapt to improve your relationship with that client? What did you do to make sure that you understood their cultural difference? What did you change about yourself or your peers that improved your relationship with them? When you did that, how do you know that it actually did improve your relationship with the client that you're working with? What did it help in their well-being? Were they happier? Did they compliment you? Did they spark up conversation with you that made them feel more reassured? So three examples that will probably take, I don't know, a page, three large paragraphs. Now your last one of pick one of those three examples. So just one of those three examples, and you're going to apply the Gibbs reflective cycle to one of those examples. The Gibbs reflective cycle is on Moodle. It was handed out in class as well, and you need to keep the headings in there. On Moodle with the Scottish University, it has all the details of what information you need to put under one heading as well. And also, if you don't understand what the details needed, you do need to do a bit of research so you can understand what is being asked. When you do a bit of research, make sure you reference it. So it's not just completely on the top of your head. You may have to do a bit of research to find out how you did adapt to it. What was the end result of this? What could have happened? So yeah, get quite in depth. That could take you a full page using the Gibbs reflective cycle. So I want it to go into quite some depth. Just to be sure, here's the rubric here. So it says two, but it's basically the two that you have identified, and the third one comes under this category here. Yeah. So two situations with different cultural aspects of that you've identified and how you changed. The third example, whichever one you choose it to be, will be broken down using the Gibbs reflective cycle. How is it helpful about the situation? What could you do to improve it if it was to occur? It could be communication. That's all your actions and your evaluation. And referencing, remember those citations and a full reference list. So you can see it's quite hefty there in the middle using the Gibbs reflective cycle. There are PowerPoints on Moodle. There's lots of information and resources. Get on there and just think about those experiences. Think outside the box. It does not have to be race or color. It's to do with traditions, habits, whatever the client might be. Gardening is a cultural difference. All right. Speak soon.